How to get rid of gnats. Step 1. Identify the type of gnats. The first step in tackling a gnat infestation is identifying the type. Knowing your enemy helps in selecting the most effective eradication methods. Common types include fruit flies, fungus gnats, and drain flies. Step 2. Locate breeding sites. Locate and eliminate the breeding sites. Gnats are drawn to moist, organic matter. Check areas like overwatered plants, clogged drains, and decaying fruit. Clean or remove these breeding grounds to disrupt their life cycle. Step 3. Use apple cider vinegar traps. Create apple cider vinegar traps. Fill a bowl with apple cider vinegar and a few drops of dish soap. The gnats are attracted to the vinegar, get trapped, and the soap breaks the surface tension, causing them to drown. Step 4. Employ red wine traps. Red wine traps work similarly to apple cider vinegar traps. Gnats are attracted to the scent of the wine, and once they enter the liquid, they can't escape. It's a simple but effective method. Step 5. Set up banana trap. Gnats are also attracted to ripe fruit. Create a banana trap by placing a piece of ripe banana in a container. Cover it with plastic wrap and poke small holes. Gnats enter but struggle to escape. Step 6. Utilize sticky traps. Sticky traps are fantastic for catching flying gnats. Hang them near affected areas, and the gnats will get stuck to the adhesive surface. This is especially effective for fungus gnats. Step 7. Eliminate standing water. Eliminate standing water. Gnats breed in stagnant water, so ensure there are no waterlogged areas around your home. Check trays under houseplants, clogged gutters, and other potential water sources. Step 8. Clean drains. Clean your drains thoroughly. Gnat larvae often thrive in the organic matter that accumulates in drains. Use a mixture of baking soda and vinegar followed by hot water to clear out debris. Step 9. Use essential oils as repellents. Use essential oils as natural repellents. Gnats dislike scents like peppermint, eucalyptus, and citronella. Mix a few drops of these oils with water and spray affected areas or use a diffuser. Step 10. Neem oil for fungus gnats. For fungus gnats, neem oil is a game changer. Mix neem oil with water and apply it to the soil of affected plants. Neem oil disrupts the gnat life cycle and acts as a natural pesticide. Step 11. Vacuum and clean regularly. Maintain a clean living space. Regular vacuuming and cleaning help eliminate stray gnats and prevent new infestations. Pay extra attention to kitchens, bathrooms, and areas with plants. Step 12. Consult professional help. If the gnat infestation persists, don't hesitate to consult with pest control professionals. They have the expertise and tools to handle severe infestations effectively. There you have it, a detailed guide on how to get rid of gnats and enjoy a pest-free home. If you found these tips helpful, give the video a thumbs up, subscribe for more pest control insights, and let me know in the comments if there's another household nuisance you'd like me to tackle.